If your iPhone 17 Pro Max is not turning on, don't panic. In this video, I show you the safest fixes to bring it back to life. First, connect your iPhone to an Apple certified wall charger. Use a reliable USB-C cable and leave it charging for at least 30 minutes. If the battery is completely drained, the screen may stay black for several minutes before the charging symbol appears. After 30 minutes, try a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, quickly press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button. Keep holding it even if the screen stays black. Release the side button only when the Apple logo appears. If the iPhone still does not turn on, check the charging port. Pocket lint, dust, or debris may block the USB-C connection. Use a flashlight and look carefully inside the charging port at the bottom of the phone. If you see dirt or lint, gently remove it with a dry, non-metallic tool such as a wooden toothpick. Do not use a metal pin, liquid cleaner, or anything sharp that could damage the contacts. After cleaning the port, reconnect the charger firmly and leave the iPhone charging again. You can also try a different Apple-certified cable, wall adapter, and power outlet. If wired charging still does not work, try wireless charging. Place your iPhone 17 Pro Max on a certified MagSafe or Qi wireless charger. Make sure the phone is centered correctly on the charging pad. Leave it there for at least 30 minutes. Wireless charging may help when the USB-C port is dirty, damaged, or not making a proper connection. After charging, repeat the force restart. Press and release volume up, press and release volume down, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If your iPhone gets unusually hot, has water damage, shows no charging response, or still does not turn on after trying all these steps, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider. The issue may be related to the battery, charging port, display, or another internal component. That's it. If one of these fixes works for you, tell us which method helped in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone 17 Pro Max troubleshooting videos.